drop some.
What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're wrapping Finalizing's car. As you see, we've already got started, and I want to talk about the brand. I want to talk about the color. So the color comes from Militone. I don't recall the exact color. We're going to put it here on the screen. It's a red finish. But what I do want to say about the film is it's extra glossy. Looks like paint. So if you're looking for a wrap finish that looks quality, has a nice finish, Militone is the way to go. We'll have them linked below. But again, we got Nick's car in. We already got started on the process. Hood is done, doors are done, and I'm gonna start laying this side. So I'm gonna walk you guys through it throughout the day. If you guys have any questions, comments, comment below. We got you guys, let's do this. So we're laying with the cap sheet on right now. This film has a clear cap sheet liner over the color, which serves multiple purposes. One being that it allows the film to not be scratched during the installation process. And you gotta think, when you're going with the squeegee and you're moving around, especially if there's dust in the air, thankfully our shop doesn't have dust, but if you do have dust, when you're squeegeeing and dust is on top of the panel and you're squeegeeing, it'll scratch the vinyl. What's good about this material is the cap sheet. Some brands have it, some don't. Militone,
bro.
I'm always gonna say it wrong, bro. That's just how I roll.
Milio. Lower your tone, bro. Lower your tone.
So the cap sheet is on. When do you remove it, Jesus? I know when he removes it, but I want you guys to know, if you're installing this film at home, when would you remove it, Jesus?
You remove it when the material doesn't want to do what you want it to do anymore. Because
the material is thicker when the cap sheet is on.
Oh yeah.
So it's harder to mold, it's harder to conform.
It won't stretch. With this cap sheet, it won't stretch, it won't conform it. You can heat it, still won't do anything. So you want to get the flat part, the majority of the panel laid with the cap sheet on, and then you remove it. And then that's when you can start doing the molding, the conforming, catching your corners, anything you do with heat.
So right now, as of right now, we attacked this area first and this body line. So you always want to go for the highest point first, and that was here. We knocked all of this out. Now it's at some point pretty quickly here, we're going to remove the cap sheet. But you could probably get all of that laid with the cap sheet on. So rule of thumb is you're going to want to install it with the cap sheet on for as long as possible. But there will be a point where you're just unable to do so, and that's when you remove it.
It's satisfying. Check it out. So this is what we want. You remove the cap sheet now, because I push it to the limit. Pretty much everything that's laid is scratch free. So that's how you get that nice. Stay hydrated.
We need mangoes though. Mangoes.
Roger!
Being like a standard here at the shop is important, right? Hey, don't leave my man hanging.
Oh, what's up, dude?
Roger, you want to learn to rap, you want to learn about everything we do here, and you want to do it at an expert level, right?
Yeah.
Earlier when I was talking to you, I was like, make sure these areas are clean and prepped, right? And you did a good job. But, check it out. This right here is a no-go. You got to get in here, you got to clean all this out. And I'm not doing it to call you out. What I want to do is, at some point, you're going to be prepping cars, you're going to be getting things ready for us. There's a standard that we want to create here for our installers, right?
Yeah.
And if we show our installers who are coming in to do work that this is how we prep cars, you know what I mean? Like, it kind of creates like a low expectation of what the results are going to be. So when I say clean out the edges, everything, bro, all the way through, all the way in here, all the way down there, because you want to wrap cars too. And the last thing you want to do is when you start wrapping here, you're going to be doing this, you're going to be pulling it, and then you're going to realize all that's there. The film's going to suck that up, bro, and it's going to end up all over your panel. So again, it's not to call you out. Yeah. But it's to call you out on the vlog. So they're gonna hold you accountable, bro. If you do this again, you might not have a job.
Oh, what?
No, I'm just kidding. I love you, bro. But yeah, clean that out if you can. Thank you.
Bro, shut up and eat your watermelon.
It's literally the right way, you know?
Yeah. I mean, if I was nice about it and I just let that shit slide, you would never be learning. You know what I mean? And our goal here is to teach you everything, even how to be an asshole.
We're heating up the material to get soft. We pull towards the corner. And then
Daniel knows all about being soft, huh?
I'm 36 years old, so I know a lot about getting soft.
You spread the tip apart, and you go around the corner.
Whoa. Spread the tip apart?
Yeah, bro, look at that. Look at that. And then it hugs. It just goes. And that's how you catch your corners.
Alright, we're cutting this, bro.
Azim, I will wrap your car for free if you get a Aladdin carpet livery.
That is so racist, bro. That is so racist. Is this thing recording? This is a brownie media face reveal.
This is what we'll do.
This is so racist.
When he rolls up his window, it'll be a picture of Aladdin driving the
Oh
car.
my god, bro.
Azim, I know you got something in there
Yo,
cooking, bro.
Daniel, what did you do? What did you just call me? He called me Abu. He called me
that was
Abu.
Daniel. Daniel called you a boo.
He called me Abu.
I called you Aladdin. He called you a monkey.
Aladdin's good looking though. I'll take that.
Nah, you're a good looking. You're a good looking dude. I swear to God. Look at this guy.
Okay, I'm not putting this right in the fire.
Fired. He's the hottest guy at the shop. You can't be having that.
I mean, you be checking out guys.
Who's better looking, me or Azim? Come on, you guys better set side with me. You know, comment below. My father-in-law was calling you Chewy, right?
That's a nickname.
Chewy?
Though.
You hated that. Though. I can see your face. He doesn't like Chewy. Don't.
I hate it.
See it? Oh, you asked him? Yeah. Why do people call him that? Or why do people call Jesus Chewy?
It's just like why Jose is Pepe. Like no one fucking knows why Jose is Pepe.
Weird. Do you guys have anything like that in your culture, Azim?
No.
Like when your name is Azim, do they call you Abu? All right, guys, that's all for today. Roger went in. He killed this whole wrap within an hour. Nick's car almost done. This is about, let's say, 3 hours of consistent wrapping. We got all 4 doors done. We got the hood done and the quarter panel. So it's not moving as fast as I'd like. You guys know that's a quick deadline. We have to have this car done by Wednesday. So yeah, we got the trunk to do. We got bumpers, and then we have this quarter panel. So we'll be back on it tomorrow. We'll keep you guys up to date. Roger, lights out, baby. Let's go home.
Oh my God, come on, bro. We're here on day 2 for Nick's F80. I'm wrapping the bumper right now, if you guys probably haven't guessed it, but a lot of inlays on these bumpers. M3s and M4s have the same exact similar bumper, and basically took about, I'm gonna say like 2.5 hours or less, like 2 hours or so doing these inlays, just because this material is very tacky. So, you know, just a little bit more caution when you're doing these. After this, rear bumper, trunk, the car is done. Yesterday, you guys seen on the vlog, Daniel Jesus just knocked out the whole body, and they called him the expert. They're like, hey, Jim, we got an F80.
Bro, I tried to help the man and he disses me.
No. Yeah, experts there doing the bumpers, then after that the trunk, and then the car's pretty much done. So the plan is to just knock it all out today. Order some pizza, some cocas on Daniel.
You hear what he said? He said the expert's working on the bumpers.
They had to call the expert in.
Fucking guy, bro. Hey, Cocky's good. Cocky's good.
La gente, aquí estamos empepelando el carro de familia.
Bro, wrong language, bro. We
Oh,
speak
my bad,
English
my
around
bad,
here.
My bad. All right. What's up, you guys? We're here. We're wrapping some guy named Nick. I couldn't find him, but this is his car. Deadline's tomorrow, so we're here. It's midnight. We're grinding. Need to work back. I mean, back to work, Azim. See,
You're
you
too
can't even
tired,
speak
bro.
right.
You're too tired, bro.
Day number 3, guys. I'm so confused on everything, but we're almost done with Nick's car. I'll show you guys. Come take a look. Today's the final day. This car's due in like 3 hours, and here's where we're at. You guys know because Nick said it and we told you, super tight deadline. To do what we're doing here in a short amount of time that he gave us, it's tough, but the guys have been staying throughout the night getting it done. We have the trunk left, we have the rear bumper getting wrapped, and most of the car is done. Granted, the limited time frame that we had, we weren't able to do what we wanted to do, which was a full door jam job. You know, when it comes down to doing a white car and going to red, it's nice to go in and change everything all the way in, all the internals. Obviously on this project, limited time, we weren't able to do that. But nevertheless, it looks really dope. I think the red suits the car really well. Nick will be here in probably, I think it was 3 hours. So what time is it now? I'm sorry guys, I'm about to do this to you. It's 3 o'clock, Nick's coming at 6. We gotta finish this thing up, so let's do it.
And then Azim parked his car over there.
What are you talking about?
You hard parked it.
I can see my car out there.
No, your other car. The one you get around everywhere. The one he shows you the world with.
That's gotta be racist.
It's not racist.
Militone is a vinyl material that we've been working with as of recently only. What I like about them is they got very nice colors and very nice finishes. One of our job, or what we like to do, is make sure we're educating you to the best of our knowledge. So what we do like about the film is it's extra glossy and it looks nice. But we can't lie to you and say it's an easy install. So if you're a DIYer at home, you might want to freshen up your skills before you get on a project like this. And it was the same thing back in the day when we were working with other brands like Inostech. When that material first came out, definitely not a DIY brand. But there's perks to it. There's perks because professional installers will do it and they'll make it look good like we're doing here, but they also have the ability to have that paint-like finish. So I think that this material does carry that. It does look good. But note to the DIYers, Militone might be a little harder to install, but it doesn't discredit them as a good brand. So I will say that I do like the film.
What is bro doing? What is bro wearing?
These are the kind of days I live for. I mean, literally like down to the wire. But our guy's showing up right now. Everybody's beat. I'm excited to show Nick his car. There he is.
There's the Ferrari.
You changed it to a Ferrari, bro.
Oh my god, bro. That looks crazy.
I kind of like it, bro. How do you know?
Exactly, that's
Bro,
my first reaction.
Crazy. It literally, it looks like Chris's car from right here.
It does, it does.
But the red is so much more different. I love this red. That is nice. Bro, it looks sick. Looks like a new car again.
So, Militone wrap. I don't even know what color it is. You know what the name
I think
is?
it's called Guards Red.
Guards Red. We're going to call it Guards Red. As far as the finish and the quality of it, I think it's badass. It looks like paint. We're going from the white to the red. As you said, it's not easy.
Not the easiest.
It's not easy.
But
So.
honestly, you can't even tell that this thing was white.
That's the goal, bro.
That's crazy.
That car's white over there, too.
Yeah, that's insane, bro.
So-
But, I mean, I knew you guys were gonna kill it. That's why I came here. It looks insane, bro.
Yeah, I
I'm so
appreciate you,
hyped.
bro.
I just keep
Enjoy
looking at it.
Enjoy it. You deserve
It's
it.
so sick, bro.
Yeah, and I want to say this, like I told him, you know, watching his career and how things are going for him, you know, the efforts you're putting in, bro, just keep doing it, man.
you,
I'm
bro.
just excited for you to watch it from the outside. So
I
keep
know.
doing
I'm
what
trying,
you're doing, man.
I'm trying my hardest.
The merch is looking great.
Thank you,
so
bro.
I'll put a link in the
Yeah,
bio
I should
for
buy
that.
you a shirt.
Oh, you're gonna be sending me shirts.
I'm gonna
bro.
send you
I'm
some, bro.
gonna
I
be
got
texting
you.
you. This is my first time driving the Ferrari. And, dude, it's quiet. It's quiet. We got to do something about this. But the car's super smooth. All right, guys, that's a wrap. We just finished up the cruise. I'll say this. I've always wanted to meet Nick. I've watched his career like go up, just like I was saying earlier. He's killing it. He's doing it the right way. The kid's got passion. He's got heart. He's a cool guy. A good attitude, good energy. And it was just like really, really cool to be in his presence, finally, to do a project together. So, Nick, shout out to you. Hope this is not the last project we do together. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, drop some comments below. We got some sick content coming. Obviously, you guys know that we got the 488. So we want to do some 488 Huracan content because I don't know if I'm sold on it. To be real with you guys, let me know in the comments. What would you drive, 488 or Huracan? I like my Huracan.
Dude, I almost dropped my camera.
Okay, pull pretty hard.
Yeah.
Like now that it's in fucking...
Yeah, like, do a pull right here. It goes.